washroom and drying area. Put safety first. In the washroom and drying areas, always be conscious of overhead bags. Earplugs and safety or closed-in shoes must be worn at all times. Use wet floor signs when applicable and always take care around wet areas. Push trolleys towards the washing machine while walking and always ensure they're loaded between 25 to 50 kilos only. When loading and unloading the Ellis, lower the steps to stand on, and once you've opened the first inner door, ensure the safety bracket is in place. When closing the Ellis, make sure that all inner doors except the door holding the bracket are closed before removing the bracket. Check that inner doors are correctly in place before closing the outer door. Keep your hands clear of the bottom edge and lock the door securely in place. Whenever you're working around the Ellis, be aware of the pinch nip points. Make sure you're away from the machine body while tilting and be sure the area is clear of people. If your area uses a sling hoist, make sure it's operated by authorised personnel only. Ensure the bag is closed, the weight is correct and the sling is in good working order. Ensure that the hooks are positioned correctly and that the area is clear for transport. All washing machines need to be operated according to ALSCO's and manufacturer's instructions. In the case of any faults in the washroom, you must contact your supervisor immediately. Do not alter controls. Turn the power off. Your supervisor will contact the engineer. Always exercise care and keep your hands clear when jogging the machine. And do not climb in or on machines at any time, ever. Ensure the doors are closed whilst in operation. Always make sure you know where the emergency stop button is and how to use it before working any piece of equipment. When loading the dryer, ensure the area in front of the dryer is clear of bags. Ensure personnel are clear of the machine when rotating the drum or tilting. Do not climb into or onto any piece of equipment at any time. Only trained personnel are allowed to enter confined spaces, no matter what the circumstances. The dryer will indicate when the cycle is finished. Always make sure the dryer has stopped completely before emptying. Ensure the area in front of the dryer is clear. Check that the load is sufficiently dry. Do not unload textiles that are too hot. Always allow to cool down. And remember that over-drying will damage textiles and is a fire risk. Unload and then remove the trolley when the machine is empty. Never leave textiles in a dryer overnight. Always ensure power is turned off at the end of the day. Never pull a loaded tub. Push only. Working safely with ALSCO is up to all of us.
At ALSCO, we believe in safety in the workplace in all of our branches.
But to achieve these high levels of safety standards,
it has to start with you.
Following the safety rules not only ensures your personal health and safety, but it'll make your job easier to perform, less strenuous and more enjoyable. Every task you perform at ALSCO is supported by a safe work procedure.
These are available for your reference at any time.
You must read them.
You must understand them.
And you must know them.
Know where to find the safe work procedures around your workplace and you'll be well on the way to working safely with ALSCO.